In the heart of Sweden, where the waves kiss the shore, a tale of enchantment forevermore. Words crashing gently on the cliff so high, whispers of the ocean beneath the Swedish sky. Josefinelust magic where the waters gleam, a place of wonder like a dream. Seas waves hidden the cliffs, in a timeless dance. Josefinelust, beauty in a fleeting glance, king's daughter enchanted by the ocean's song. In the heart of Sweden, where she belongs. Walking by the water, where the stories are told of a king's daughter in the days of old. Drawn by the whispers of the sea's embrace, Josefinelust magic in her heart's place. Seas waves hidden the cliffs, in a timeless dance. Josefinelust, beauty in a fleeting glance, king's daughter enchanted by the ocean's song. In the heart of Sweden, where she belongs. As the sun sets low, painting skies with gold, Josefinelust wonders in her heart unfold. From the cliffs to the sea and the waves so blue, the enchantment of the place forever true. Seas waves hidden the cliffs, in a timeless dance. Josefinelust, beauty in a fleeting glance, king's daughter enchanted by the ocean's song. In the heart of Sweden, where she belongs. As the night softly falls and the stars shine bright, Josefinelust enchantment in the moonlight. In the heart of Sweden, where the sea meets the shore, the tale of the king's daughter lives forevermore. Waves crashing gently on the cliff so high, whispers of the ocean beneath the Swedish sky. Josefinelust magic where the waters gleam, a place of wonder like a dream. Seas waves hidden the cliffs, in a timeless dance. Josefinelust, beauty in a fleeting glance, king's daughter enchanted by the ocean's song. In the heart of Sweden, where she belongs. Walking by the water, where the stories are told of a king's daughter